So hi friends, welcome back. So in this video, I will be discussing about API testing tutorials. I have planned to do a series of videos on API testing. This will be the first video I am doing on API testing tutorials. I will be covering in day 1 what is API, what is all about API testing, and what are the different types of testing which we normally do it for API testing. These are the things, various things I will be covering. So let us understand first of all what is all about API. So what is all about API? So API is nothing but a application programming interface. Application programming interface. API will be used to talk to various different application. It could be clients or it could be servers by sending a simple messages and as well as getting the response back from the server or client in the method of get, put, delete, post and so on. By using API, we can go on directly testing any business logic directly. If we can see this diagram, in this diagram, it has been clearly given, is given a three-tier architecture. If we can see, right, it is a database. Then we have a business logic where we have many components in it, and there is also the user interface layer, and also there is a API layer. All the component level testings will be done under unit testing. API level testing is getting done here. API testing is getting performed for business logic and various components. Then we will try to understand what is API testing. So API testing is all about testing an API to find an issue or a bug. The main job here is which we are going to test the API, application programming interface. Why we really require API testing means there are some things like which we cannot test using UI layer. So those aspects we will be testing as part of API testing. API testing normally which is very faster than UI. You can see in this picture, this is how the overall different types of testing which we normally perform: unit testing, API testing and UI testing. This is the way we should do different kinds of testing, because we'll have to do more unit testing all the time, then API testing, little UI testing. That is the new trend which is happening. If we do in this way, it reduces lot of dev work, test work and as well as execution effort, because if we wait until the UI is getting implemented, then if some issues comes there, in order to fix those issues becomes very challenging, and also it involves huge effort as well. The overall percentage of tests also, we should have unit testing should be more in number, then the API testing, then followed by UI testing. That is the percentage of test we should perform as part of overall testing strategy. Then we will try to understand what are the various types of testing we normally do it for API testing. So these are the some of the different types of testing we do is functional testing. Under functional testing, we will be validating all the data or accuracy which is coming from the request and responses, and we will be testing all the status codes. There are various different status codes available. 1x series, which is informational codes, defines the protocol level information. 2x series, which gives a success, defines the client request accepted successfully. Then 3x series, which is redirection, which defines the must do some action to complete their request. Then 4x series, which is client error, defines the status codes, point the finger at clients. Then 5x errors are server errors, which defines server to take certain responsibilities for these error codes. Then we'll also have different error codes which we just talk about 5x series. So those things also will be tested it. Then we'll be testing authorization, validation checks using API testing. And also we perform non-functional tests under API, which is performance testing. In this, we'll be testing the response time for these APIs. Then also we test the security aspects for API. These are the various different types of testing which we do in API testing. These are the some of the things which I wanted to cover in the day one. I am hoping at least you guys got a clear idea on what is API, what is all about API testing, what are the various different types of API testing we have. With this, I am ending this video. We will catch you up in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.